Hey y'all, it's time for another old home glow up. So big welcome to my old home upgrade series. If you've been staring at your walls or cabinets thinking, ugh, something's gotta change, you are in the right place. Today's star of the show? Paint. Seriously, old home? Meet your new best friend. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you won't miss next week's episode. Trust me, it's a good one. Tip 1. Give those cabinets a glow up. Let's start with one of my favorite budget-friendly transformations, painting dated cabinets. You know those orangey brown kitchen cabinets from the 90s? Or the dark heavy wood in the bathroom? A fresh coat of paint can make them look brand new. Here's the thing, it's all about prep. Clean them really well, give them a light sanding, and use a good primer. Then pick a color that works with your style. Crisp white for a classic look, sage green for something earthy, or even navy blue for that modern pop. Trust me, people will walk in and think you had them replaced. Tip 2, Luxe walls with lime wash. Next up, lime washing brick or stone. Yes, if you've got a brick fireplace that feels a little too rustic or outdated, lime wash gives it this soft, luxe texture that still lets the natural brick peek through. It's not a full paint job. Think of it like a cozy filter for your wall. Bonus. You can control how much brick shows by layering it. It instantly warms up the space without that heavy industrial brick feel. Tip 3. Outdated tile? No problem. Paint it. And yes, you can paint tile, backsplash, floors, even bathroom walls if you do it right. The secret? Prep like a pro. Clean it, sand lightly, and use a special tile paint or epoxy paint made for high traffic areas. It's a game changer. If you've got that 70s mustard yellow tile or old floral backsplash that makes you cry inside every time you see it. I've actually done this myself. I've got 2 apartments, a 1937 built home. The bathroom had these super old, not so cute tiles, but instead of ripping them out, I painted them. And let me tell you, it completely changed the vibe. It went from ugh, outdated, to wow. So if I can pull it off in a nearly century-old bathroom, I know you can do it too. 1 weekend of work, and you've got a totally new look. Extra tip alert. While you've got your painting gear out, think of small accents. Paint the side of your kitchen island to match or contrast your tile for a custom look, or refresh your bathroom vanity in a coordinating color. It ties the whole space together and makes it look intentional, like you had a whole design plan, even if you didn't. So there you have it. Paint really is the fastest, cheapest way to erase decades from your home's look without gutting the place. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home upgrade tips and tricks. And next week, oh, you're gonna love this. I'm sharing my top tips for updating your lighting fixtures so your space is brighter and more stylish. See you in the next video.